Are you struggling with empty rows in Excel? This video will show you the trick to remove empty row in Microsoft Excel. Hi everyone, welcome to Everything Data Analytics. And if this is your first time in this channel, kindly click the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel, and also click the notification button to receive updates from all the tutorials that we share every week. Now, if you want to remove empty rows in Excel, we are going to be making use of blanks. How to use blanks to delete empty row in Excel. Now, the first thing that you are going to do is to select your data array. So assuming that I have this data array now and I have a lot of empty row there. So what I will do is to select the data range. Once I select the data array, then I did Ctrl G. So click on your Ctrl G, then you go to special and click blank. Now, if you don't want to make use of Ctrl G for you to find locate special in Excel, go to home, then go to your find and select and go to special. So the shortcut is Ctrl G. After you have highlighted your data, click Ctrl G, then click on find and select and go to special. Then it will give you this window. So you click the blank. Once you click the blank, then you click OK. So now it has that clicking OK make it to select all the blanks in your data. You can see it has selected all the blank in your range of data. So the next thing now is to right click. Once you right click, it might delete, it might unselect everything that you have done, like what just happened. So the best way to do that is, again, I'm going to highlight my data range. Once I highlight my data range, then go Ctrl G, go to special, then blank, click OK. Now, how do I delete this now? So now you click your Control minus control the subtraction sign in your PC. So control that, and then it will bring out the delete window. So what's the next thing to do there? You will delete the entire row. You delete the entire row. Now I've deleted the entire row, and just like that, empty rows are gone. Note this, that this method work best if the entire rows are blanks. It work best if the entire row are blanks. And if you want more tips on Excel or on everything data analysis, just subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like, share, and also comment. Subscribe to this channel and to receive more updates on everything data analytics. Bye.